Now, I'm pretty sure the sound of the rain, it's just harrowing. You know what I'm saying? Well, picture this. When I mean harrowing, I mean it in a big way. You have lots of lights in the background, but some areas no power. Blackened, if you know what I mean. I mean, you take a look, some of the scenes have been blackened. Blackened out completely. Well, that's the whole point. But there are full lights in the background. Look at them all. That's the kinds of things you want to see, don't you? Well, of course you do. That's good. And you know, I'm blanketed out on all that. Very interesting. And crazy, too.